Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to find Cash App bank statement. So to get started with that, if you're on the mobile version of Cash App on the phone, just log into your account, then tap the profile icon at the top right corner, then scroll down and tap document. Then from there, select account statement and choose the month you want to view. Then from there, tap to download or export the statement as a PDF format. Then if you're on the website version, if needed, just go to cashapp.com, then log into your account on a desktop, then click the statement tab, usually under your activities or settings menu, then choose the account and the time period. Then click download to save your statement as a PDF or CSV file. The statement include all deposits, withdrawals, the cash card use, the transfer, Bitcoin activities, just like a bank account, and that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.